Yes, be attentive everyone. First of all, only one student raised a query. I was expecting more people to raise that. Look at the last sentence of the question. Prepare new balance sheet after admission. And we have prepared everything. So now cancel it.
No, we'll keep it for
Yes.
next time.
Very good. We'll not keep it for next sum, we'll keep it for this sum only.
Exactly.
Even if new balance sheet is only asked, you cannot make it until you make these four things. Because in the new balance sheet, what capitals will come, will know from capital account. What current account balances will come, will know after making adjustments in current account. Capital and current account will have the effect of devaluations, profit and loss. What cash balance will come after goodwill, etc. will get from cash account. So in this chapter, always you will make everything. The other things become like your workings. But even if only balance sheet is asked, you have to make all the accounts. Are you all clear with this?
Yes.
Now, how will we start the solution?
Current balance and capital.
And
Bank balance.
yes, correct. Sit down. Put tick on current accounts, capital accounts, bank balance. Do you all get this? All this? Now here, Sumana, where will we write current and capital accounts balance, and where will we write bank accounts balance? Is this fine?
Yes.
Sumana, current and capital account balance and bank balance, where will we record? Which sides? Credit side. And then capital balance. Capital balances are already there on liability side. We write again liability side. Which side? Credit side. And bank balance? Bank account? Which side? Yes? Lovely? Debit side. Okay, liabilities will be having credit balance. So capital account write down credit side. Buy balance brought down. 1,20,000 and 90,000. Silence everyone. 1,20,000 and 90,000. What is going on? Current accounts, also liability side, so we'll have credit balance, buy balance brought down. Who is speaking in between? Now if I find any single noise, this third row onwards, because second is not making it for sure. Third to last, the whole row will solve this question 13 times, 14 times. Any noise, then third row to last row, everyone will solve this question 14 times. Except Adhavle and Darshan, they are also generally not talking in between. Others all. Buy balance brought down 1,50,000 and 1,95,000. See that Desai and Divyaji, because of you others don't get in position. You are the main ones who are always talking. Bank balance is 60,000. So bank account debit side. To balance brought down 60,000. Okay, these three things we record in the beginning. Are you okay with this?
Yes.
Then after that, Nishi, what next? Which reserve here?
Government compensation.
What amount? Where will we write?
Sir, on the part of current account credit side.
What amount? Riya and Akansha. 32,000. In which columns, what amounts?
In figure 3 and 50 column 5 is to 0.
Correct. All of you look at adjustment 8. Do you find workers' claim of 28,000? So in workers' compensation fund 60,000, right, minus 28,000. Remaining 32,000 we will distribute between old partners in old ratio. So partners current shortcut I will write on the opposite side. In balance sheet left side, so partners current account right side by workmen compensation fund. Okay, 60 minus 28, 32,000. 32,000 into 5 by 4, 20,000. And 32,000 into 3 by 4, 12,000. Are you all clear with this? Nishi, what else?
So we do not record workman's form.
And what else? Janvi? Both of you stand up. Tejaswini? Stand up. Hirva? Three of you read this early times. Workers claim 28,000 will come on liability side. Workers claim 28,000 will come on liabilities side. Sit down. Did all of you understand this? It's not my bad. But remember this. Three of you will write it, okay? Next. Okay, what would be the journal entry for this? We always make the workings so that if journal is asked, you are able to write that. Raise your hand. What will be the journal entry for this? Workmen's compensation fund. Akansha?
Workman's compensation fund debit to workers claim to partners.
Yes, here current account. Workers compensation fund account debit with full 60,000. To workers claim account with 28,000. To Ruthvi's current account with 20,000. To Princey's current account with 12,000. This would be the entry if it is asked. If journal entry is also asked. No need to write this working in the exams, just for understanding. Workmen's compensation fund account debit 60,000 gets closed. Two workers claim 28,000 comes on liability side. And two partners current account comes in partners current account on credit side. Are you all clear with this? Then next. Anything else from the balance sheet to be distributed between the partners? No. They admitted Manan as a partner on 1417 on the following terms. Manan will bring his personal furniture of 75,000 as capital. Raise your hand. It's a normal journal entry. Don't get confused. Normally he brings cash. The only difference is he has brought furniture as capital. Divyajit?
Sir, set side furniture, 75,000 and in partners capital account by furniture.
What will be the journal entry?
Partners capital account debit to furniture.
Furniture account debit to Manan's capital. Instead of cash, now he is bringing furniture. So furniture comes in, debit what comes in, furniture account debit. Manan is the giver, credit the giver to Manan's capital account. Now furniture account debit, normally furniture is debit balance, we debited against, so we would have added. But is there any furniture appearing on the asset side of balance sheet? No. So we'll write it separately. Okay, furniture account debit, you write it on the asset side, 75,000. Are you all clear with this? If furniture was already there on the asset side, you would have added. And two capital, so partners capital credit side by furniture in Manan's column 75,000. Raise your hand who did not understand this. All are clear with this? Next. Out of creditors, 60,000 are payable to Manan, which is transferred to his capital. Put your pencil. Understand what is this exactly? Suppose we have to pay 40,000 to Renuka. Renuka is our creditor. Now, Renuka is admitted as a partner in IUCUL. So from tomorrow she will be teaching you admission of partner. Now, she is admitted in the partnership firm as a partner. Okay. Presently Abhishek, Vijay, Suketu, now Renuka also. 4 partners. Okay. Now we have to pay her how much? 40,000. After she is admitted in the firm, then we will say nothing. Now you are the partner. Now we don't have to pay 40,000. That 40,000 gets invested in our business. Forget it. Now we don't have to pay 40,000. That 40,000 gets invested in our business. It becomes your capital. We had to pay 40,000, but now we treat it as your capital and you have invested that money in our business. So here, Manan, we had to pay 60,000. Now he is a partner. So he transferred to his capital account. First of all, creditors account is to be closed. So, creditors have what balance? To close it. So, creditors account we will debit with 60,000. Creditors account have credit balance. To close it, we will reverse and debit it. And we have to transfer this amount to Manan's capital. So, to Manan's capital account. Did every one of you understand this?
Yes.
Now, creditors have what balance? Credit, but we debit. So, credit, debit, minus from creditors. Take on creditors 1,20,000. Liabilities side, creditors 1,20,000 minus not payable, or you can write transfer to Manan's capital 60,000. Keep 60,000 in inner column only. Adjustment 6 also has effect on creditors. Okay? And to Manan's capital means in partner's capital we will write on credit side opposite account by creditors account in Manan's column 60,000. Did you all understand this? So it's a new adjustment, mark it important, but simple. Creditor, the same partner was our creditor earlier. So now we transfer this amount to our capital account, his capital account. So what shall be the journal entry? Creditors account debit to Manan's capital. Creditors account debit minus from creditors and to Manan's capital, partner's capital account on credits. Are you all clear with this?
Yes, sir.
Next. Manan will be given 1/5 share in future. Raise your hand. Which situation of profit out of the 3 is it? In the summary we have done 3 situations so far. Raise your hand. Which situation of profit is this? The first. What was the first situation? Old ratio is given and new partner's share is given. And in bracket I made you write no other information is given. Old ratio is given 5:3. New partner's share 1/5 is given. Any other information? Directly any new ratio is given to you? Is from, of, any such thing given? No. So this situation 1. Are you all clear with this?
Yes.
It will have some relevance. You should always try to, whenever any information is in, try to analyze this in situation 1 or 2 or 3. It will help. Now Manan will bring 45,000 as goodwill in cash. Nobody? What will be the journal entry for this? Manan will bring 45,000 as goodwill in cash.
Cash account debit to Manan's to old partner's capital.
100 times. Aryan?
Partners current account.
100 times. Rushabh? 100 times. Rudha?
Cash account debit to partner's capital account to premium of goodwill account.
Capital is not brought, only goodwill is brought.
To premium of goodwill account.
3 of you write this 100 times. Every question we are doing this. How you are doing the homeworks? Simply copying it. Yesterday's homework also had that or not? So how did you people do it? Tell it 150 times. Every question you are having this point still you don't understand. Cash account debit to premium for goodwill. So bank account here on debit side. To premium for goodwill account 45,000. Are you all clear with this? Then ask about one more entry we pass.
Partners current account by premium for goodwill and distributing satisfaction.
Correct. What is the entry?
Premium for goodwill to increase current account to principal account.
Correct. The second entry we studied for goodwill is premium for goodwill account debit to partners capital or current account. Old partners. And in sacrifice ratio. Now raise your hand. How will we find sacrifice ratio in this question? Before that entry you always need the sacrifice ratio. Raise your hand. How will you find sacrifice ratio in this question? Pooja?
Same as old ratio.
Correct. It is which situation of profit we discussed? And their sacrifice ratio is always same as old ratio. Take out in the summary, first page of this chapter in the notebook. In the notebook, first page of this chapter. After first situation of profit, what is the note I made? In the above situation, sacrifice ratio will be same as old ratio. So whenever this type of information is given, old ratio, new partnership, no need to waste time in making the work things. Sacrifice ratio will be same as old ratio. Okay? So entry is premium for goodwill account debit to old partner's current account. Partner's current account credit side by premium for goodwill account will distribute it in sacrifice ratio, which here is same as old ratio 5:3. So 45,000 into 5 by 8,
28,125.
28125, and 45,000 into 3 by 8, 16875. Are you all clear with this?
Yes, sir.
In bracket you'll mention it is done in sacrifice ratio, which here is same as old ratio. Okay? Are you all clear with this portion, everyone? So 2 entries of goodwill are done. Next. Raise your hand. Goodwill of firm is valued at 3 lakh. Now what will you do with this? I repeat, those who have trouble in goodwill, do see that video again. Everything is explained in detail over there. Goodwill of the firm is valued at 3 lakhs. We have done it earlier and you have taken it in homework also. Only 3 people, that's it. 4, 5. Krishna, what will you do? Disha? No. Disha?
Partners current account or debit side old.
No. Sit down. Meet.
Sir, 3 lakhs into 1.5, 60,000, 15,000 is option.
So what will you do?
Take from his capital.
Yes. Summary of goodwill. Do see that video properly, everyone. It's a very simple thing. We have done it again and again in the class. Question 9, we did that point. illustration 23 was given in homework at that point.
Question
Yes?
yesterday's question.
Also at this point?
Homework in
Okay, be attentive. First of all, 3 lakh is the goodwill. 3 lakhs, 1/5 is the new partner's share. Do you all find it in adjustment fee or not?
Yes.
So 3 lakhs, 1/5. Manan should bring what amount for goodwill? 60,000. But he has brought only 45,000. So now what will we do? 15,000 we will take from his capital. This we discussed in the summary. If he brings, well and good. If he does not bring, still well and good. If he does not bring, the money will take from his capital. So, third workings for this. Manan's share. Yes, yesterday also we did that, but yesterday he did not bring anything. So, entire amount was taken from his capital. Manan's share in goodwill is equal to 3 lakhs into 1/5, 60,000 minus cash brought by him for goodwill is 45,000. So 15,000 will be taken from Manan's capital. Now what entry do we pass when we take the money from his capital? New partner's capital to old partner's capital in sacrifice ratio. So new partner Manan's capital account debit. Okay, 15,000 will take from his capital. Here current account, sorry, not capital. And will take it from his current account, not capital. Two old partners, Ruthvi's current account, to Princey's current account, and in sacrifice ratio, which is same as old ratio, 15,000 into 5/8 and 15,000 into 3/8. 9375 and 5625. Okay. 15,000 into 5/8, 15,000 into 3/8. Here you already mentioned this is actually sacrifice ratio, which is same as old ratio. Is everyone clear with this? For posting, this is also important. This also I gave you homework yesterday. So, Ritu, how will you do the posting for this?
Sir, I have a doubt.
Yes?
It won't come Manan's capital account.
No, current only. Whenever current account is given, except the capital brought by the new partner, all adjustments will be made in current account. Okay? That's why we are making Manan's column also in current account. Lastly, when we made new partner's current accounts column, it was blank. But today you'll have the entry in that. So you always have to make the partner's capital and current with all the columns. Yes? It's a contra entry where you write on both the sides. What will you write on debit side? Yes? To Malan's account. You tried the homework yesterday. And homework you got it correct. So, हटा ले. Debit side, what will we write? Sit down, this side.
Debit side. Capital account and to Princey's capital account.
And which amount in which column?
$93.75 on this column in 5625 on Princey's column.
Further,
rupees. No, to current account. No. Wait. To goodwill account on rupees column.
share. Rashmi.
Yeah, to rupees current account to princess current account on Manan's column. 9 Manan's column. 9.75 and 5.25.
How you people did the homework? But earlier also it is done. Illustration 23 and question 9. Partners current account debit side, you'll write the credit accounts. To Rutvi's current account, to Princey's current account, and you'll write the amount in debit side in Manan's column 9375 and 5625. Credit side, you write the debit account by Manan's current account. In Rutvi's column 9375, in Princey's column 5625. Put the places in bracket, write goodwill. Understand the things properly, everyone. This will come across again. And do the homeworks on your own. This shows how badly you are copying the homeworks. How will you do it in exams? Next, raise your hand. Credit purchase of 15,000, which was not recorded in creditor's account and purchase account, but it is included in closing stock. What journal entry will you pass for this? Raise your hand. Charuta?
Revaluation account to creditors account.
Effects.
Revaluation debit and creditors plus.
Correct. Be attentive. In final accounts, what journal entry did we see for this? Unrecorded purchases, purchase account debit to creditor account. Adding purchase, adding creditors. But is purchase an expense of the business or not? So revaluation account debit. Any expense or loss will debit evaluation. Any income or profit will credit evaluation. Because it's a new journal entry, note it down in the workings. Adjustment 6. Revaluation account debit to creditors account 15,000. Understood this? Once again, what is the normal entry? Purchase account debit to creditors. Purchase will get substituted with revaluation because it's an expense. Revaluation account debit, so debit side to creditors account 15,000 and to creditors plus in creditors unrecorded 15,000, so 75,000. Are you all clear with this? Revaluation account debit side and add in creditors. Next one, raise your hand. Market value of stock of 45,000 is rupees 36,000. Correct?
Revaluation to stock
Amount?
9,000.
Effects?
Revaluation account debit and minus from stock.
Is 45,000 stock. Now the market value is 36,000. So is it a profit or a loss?
Loss.
How much loss? 9,000. Loss, so revaluation account debit and to stock account. Are you all clear with this? Loss, so revaluation account debit side to stock 9,000.
Sir,
Yes,
what about the stock which is more in balance?
from that only will minus. Put tick on stock on the asset side. Do you find 60,000? To stock means minus from stock, decrease of 9,000, so 51,000. All the stock has not observed fall in market value. Do you get it? 60,000 of stock. 45,000's market value is remaining 15,000. No information is given means it's 15,000 only. So now 36 plus 15, 51,000 of stock will come in the balance sheet. So this information just means one part of the stock, 45,000. The market value of that stock has gone down by 9,000. The other one is as it is. So 45 and 36 is just to be compared and find out the amount of loss. But you minus it from the total stock of balance sheet itself. Did everyone of you understand this? Anyone having any doubts on that? 45,000 stocks market value is 36. Remaining 15, no information is given, means its market value is 15 only. So 36 and 15, now the stock will come 15 on top. So you just remember, 45 and 36 you can compare and find the loss is 9. But you minus it from the value in balance sheet itself. Queen, any confusion? Don't talk in between, okay? Next. 8th is already done. Workers' compensation. 9th. Accrued interest on investment 24,000 is not recorded. Queena? Accrued interest on investment 24,000 is not recorded. Yes? Effects? Yes, correct. Accrued interest on investment to revaluation, it's an income. So, revaluation credit side, accrued means outstanding interest on investment 24,000, and asset side, outstanding income will come on asset side. Accrued interest on investment 24,000. Are you all clear with this?
Yes.
All adjustments are done. One sheet after that. What all items are not recorded yet?
Debtors, building, debtors and
Investments also. Did you put tick on investments? Why? Where are they recorded? Yes, silence. Liability side, what is unticked? Others, silence.
workers' profit
Anything else? So now, workers' profit sharing fund 30,000 on liability side. Yes, who is talking now? Workers' profit sharing fund 30,000. Asset side, debtors 90,000. Building. Yes, Taruta and Shreya, Rashmi. Building 4,50,000. And investments 1,05,000. Are you all clear with this? Now we'll do the balancing. This has no balance. 24,000 both the sides. So very good, no profit, no loss. Okay. Capital's closing balance will come on liability side. 1,20,000, 90,000, 1,35,000. Balance is also 1,20,000, 90,000 and 1,35,000. Then liability side will write that capitals. Ruthvi 1,20,000. Princey 90,000. And Manan 1,35,000.
345,000.
3,45,000. Now you can see in current, Ruthvi and Princey credit is more, but Manan debit is more. So two partners have credit balance that will come on liability side. Manan has debit balance that will come on asset side. Okay, first we do it for these two partners who have credit balance.
207,500. 229,500. 15,000.
Same will be the balance. No items on debit side. Manan debit is more 15,000.
Yes.
No amount on credit side. So by balance carried down. Are you all okay with this? So current account, you'll write down liabilities side for Ruthvi and Princey, credit balance. It appears on debit side, but it's a credit balance 207,500 and 229,500.
437,000.
4,37,000. And Manan's 15,000 you'll write in asset side. Manan's current account 15,000. Are you all clear with this? Bank balance 1,05,000 will come on asset side.
105,000.
Yes. Asset side bank balance 1,05,000.
9,15,000.
915. So 9,15,000 total of balance sheet. All are clear with this?
Yes, sir.
Illustration 25 will be your homework for tomorrow. Illustration 25 will be your homework. After this, take out the summary. Completed? Show it in the office and then go. After revaluation in the summary, last note we had written for evaluation. That was the fourth topic. Now, fifth topic. Yes, silence. Now, yes. What happened, Will? Illustration 25 is your homework. This is similar to what we did right now. Now, changes in capital account is the last topic, but there are two varieties possible here. Understand those concepts first. What is it exactly? And I'll make you write the steps today so that we can directly solve the long question tomorrow. Okay? Like I just now gave the example. Vijay, Abhishek and Suketu are partners. Renuka is omitted. But two things are possible. How to decide Renuka's capital? One, either she brings the capital on the basis of our amounts, how much we have invested in the business, or we need certain funds in the business. So we ask her to bring certain amount and we adjust our capitals according to that. For example, suppose the ratio between the four of us is 10:5:3:2. Okay? 10:5:3:2. Now, suppose my capital in the business is 10 lakhs. Abhishek says 5 lakhs. Suketu says 3 lakhs. How much should Renuka bring? 2 lakhs. Simple ratio based. Profit sharing ratio 10:5:3:2. My capital 10 lakhs. Abhishek says 5 lakhs. Suketu says 3 lakhs. Renuka's 2 lakhs. The other thing is, we need 3 lakhs from her. Business needs money. There's a requirement of 3 lakhs. Now Renuka will say, why 3 lakhs? My ratio is only 2/20. Suketu sir's ratio is 3/20. His capital is also 3 lakhs. Then either you give me 3/20 or if I bring 3 lakhs, then you people change your capital. If she is bringing 3 lakhs, then she is bringing 50% more. Instead of 2 lakhs, she is bringing 3 lakhs. Then Suketu sir's capital is? He will also bring 50% more, 1,50,000. Abhishek sir's capital is? He will also bring 50% more, 7,50,000. Mine's? I will also bring 50% more, 5 lakhs. Then she will say fine. 15, 7.5, 3 plus 1.5, 4.5 and 3 lakhs. Now it sets in the same ratio. 10:5:3:2. So this dispute always arises when a new partner is admitted. Either old partners change their capital taking the base of new partner's capital, or new partner brings the capital on the basis of old partner's capital. Today we take up the first one only. So in that write down old partners decide their capital old partners decide their capitals taking new partners capital as base, and this is the same language you'll find in your questions. So identifying will not be a trouble. Now logic will understand tomorrow. I'll directly make you write the steps so that we can solve it tomorrow with the same steps. Okay, and then why that steps I'll explain the logic tomorrow. So directly write down step 1. Total capital will be equal to new partner's capital into reciprocal of his share. Step 2. Distribute the total capital this one in new ratio. Step 3. Show the total capital, this one which is distributed in new ratio, in partners capital account. Yes, on debit side as closing balance. And step 4, balancing figure of partners capital account will be transferred to cash account or bank account or partners current account, depending on questions language. Basta huwa. Yes, last part will depend on the language in the question. Do you remember in chapter 1 we did certain questions of closing fixed capital? Chapter 1 in childhood we did. Partners, first chapter, partnership firms. Closing fixed capital we did the same one. Write the closing capital in partners capital account on debit side. Balancing figure transfer it to cash account. Automatically whether they are bringing or withdrawal will be taken into consideration. So that kind of questions it is. These are the most important and assured in your exams. All the other points will be covered as such of the chapter plus this one. Okay. Tomorrow we'll take it up.